Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Asus ROG Phone 6D to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, confirm, continue, and allow. Now on this second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can choose not now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of Asus and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, click on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then, after clicking on Close this window, go back to Asus smartphone. You can finally pick all of your files that you wish to transfer, thanks to categories located above. To pick multiple files from your category, click on those dots at the top left corners. If you don't want to do that, you can also just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. Wherever you decide, when you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. You can connect by scanning this QR code. You can do that by tapping on this scanning icon above User Guide on an Android, allowing camera access in the pop-up, and pointing your Android's camera at the code. If you want to, you can also input this key in Input Key section and then connect thanks to Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, some kind of error. So I will input it again, choose Receive. So if that happens, which is not very often, you can just click on this X at the top left corner of Asus, then click on Send again, and after your device generate this new key, input it again or just scan the QR code. Click on Receive, wait, and as you can see, even with some problems, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!